Hello everyone, I am very much pleased to welcome you for this video lecture. In this video lecture, let us solve a problem from Chemical Reaction Engineering. I have taken a problem from GATE 2020. Let us look at the problem. A catalytic gas phase reaction P gives Q is conducted in an isothermal packed bed reactor operated at steady state. The reaction is irreversible and second order with respect to P. The feed is pure P with a volumetric flow rate of 1 liter per minute and concentration of 2 moles per liter. In addition, use the following assumption, that is, the reactant and product are ideal gases. There is no volume change associated with the reaction. Ideal plug flow conditions prevail in the packed bed. When the mass of catalyst in the reactor is 4 grams, the concentration of P measured as the X is 0.4 moles per liter. Calculate the second order rate constant. The unit of the second order rate constant is given here. I have taken the problem from GATE 2020. Let us solve the problem. First, let me write the given data. The problem, volumetric fluid is given as 1 liter per minute, V naught 1 liter per minute, then C naught is given as 2 moles per liter, it is ideal gas, there is no change in volume. According to stoichiometry, P gives Q, there is no change in the volume. It follows the ideal plug flow condition. Weight of the catalyst is 4 gram. The concentration of P at the exit is 0.4 moles per liter. Ca is 0. Moles per liter. Question is, calculate the second order rate constant. The reactor is ideal plug flow reactor. The design equation for ideal plug flow reactor is V by Fa naught, that is equal to integral of 0 to Xa dxa divided by minus Ra or W divided by Fa naught, that is equal to 0 to Xa divided by dxa divided by minus Ra, when rate equation, that is minus Ra, expressed in terms of moles of A disappear divided by liter per minute, we can use this equation. If it is expressed in terms of moles of A transformed or disappear per weight of the catalyst per minute, we can go for this equation. In the problem, question is we need to calculate K in terms of liter power 2 per gram of catalyst mole minute. Therefore, let us go for this equation. Let me simplify the above equation according to our need. W divided by Fa naught. Given problem is second order reaction. Therefore, I can write 0 to Xa dxa divided by K into Ca naught power 2 multiplied by 1 minus Xa power 2. Here what I have done is minus Ra, that is equal to k into Ca power 2. In terms of conversion, I can write the rate equation as k multiplied by Ca naught into 1 minus Xa power 2, where Ca that is equal to Ca naught multiplied by 1 minus Xa. Now let me integrate this equation. 1 divided by k Ca naught power 2 1 minus Xa power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Integral of this one 1 divided by k Ca naught power 2 1 divided by 1 minus Xa, limit is 0 to Xa. Substituting the limits, we will get 1 divided by k Ca naught power 2 1 divided by 1 minus Xa minus 1. Further simplifying that, we get 1 divided by k Ca naught 1 minus 1 plus Xa divided by 1 minus Xa. We will get W by Fa naught, that is equal to Xa divided by 1 minus Xa multiplied by 1 divided by k multiplied by Ca naught, and Fa naught can be replaced by Fa naught, that is equal to V naught multiplied by Ca naught. The unit of V naught is liter per minute and Ca naught is moles per liter. Cross multiply to get mole per minute. Therefore, I can write this equation as W divided by V naught Ca naught, it is power 2. So this will be cancelled out, and I can rewrite this equation to determine k. This k equal to V naught divided by W Ca naught Xa divided by 1 minus Xc. In the problem, Ca naught and Ca is given. I can write the equation for the conversion. Xa, that is equal to Ca naught minus Ca divided by Ca naught. Ca naught is 2 moles per liter and Ca is 0.4 moles per liter. 2 minus 0.4 divided by 2. Therefore, 1.6 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.8. Let me substitute here k, that is equal to V naught is given as 1 liter per minute, 1 divided by 4 gram of catalyst. Ca naught is 2, 0.8 divided by 1 minus 0.8, we get 0.8 divided by 8 multiplied by 0.2. We multiply, we get 1 divided by 10 multiplied by 0.2, that is 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.5. Our k value is, that is equal to 0.5. Let us check the unit of the K. Unit of V naught is liter per minute divided by gram multiplied by unit of C naught is moles per liter. Therefore, I can write liter per mole. Therefore, unit will be liter power 2 per minute gram mole. This is the gram of the catalyst. The question is liter power 2, gram power minus 1, moles power minus 1, minute power minus 1. Therefore, you have successfully calculated value of K, that is 0.5 liter power 2 gram catalyst minus 1 mole minus 1 minute minus 1. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.